In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on eBay using Klarna as your payment method. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or it's your first time trying this flexible payment option, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Let's begin our journey by heading over to eBay, one of the most popular online marketplaces. You can do this by typing eBay into your preferred web browser's search bar and clicking on the official eBay link. Once there, you'll be greeted by a homepage teeming with a variety of products, ranging from electronics and fashion to collectibles and more. Take your time to browse through the categories or use the search function to find a specific item you're interested in buying. Once you've found a product that catches your eye, click on it to get more details. This page will typically provide you with essential information such as item specifications, pricing, and shipping details. If you're satisfied and ready to make your purchase, look for the option to add this product to your cart. Adding an item to your cart doesn't obligate you to purchase it right away. It merely sets it aside until you're ready to complete your purchase. After you have successfully added your desired items to your cart, navigate over to the checkout page. You can find the checkout option usually on the top right corner of the site, represented by a cart icon. Clicking on this will direct you to the page where you can review your selections and finalize your purchase. At this stage, it's always a good idea to double-check that the quantities and selections are correct, ensuring you're buying exactly what you wanted. Now, when you're ready to proceed, focus on the payment section. Here's where you can choose how you'd like to pay for your order. Look for the option labeled Pay With, and in the drop-down menu, select Klarna. Klarna is a versatile payment service that allows you to pay in installments, making it easier to manage your budget without needing to pay the full amount up front. It's a convenient option if you're looking to spread out your payments over a more manageable time frame. After selecting Klarna, you may be guided through a brief setup process, especially if it's your first time using it. This might involve logging into Klarna or setting up an account using your email address and payment details. Follow the prompts carefully and provide the necessary information to ensure a smooth transaction. And there you have it. With all steps completed, you're done and ready to enjoy your newly purchased items. Shopping online doesn't have to be daunting, and using services like Klarna on platforms like eBay can make your buying experience both enjoyable and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.